Ready to give your mirror a glow up? Let's make something sparkly, unique, and totally you with the Purple Ladybug Bling Out Mirror Kit. Your kit comes with everything you need: a handheld mirror, shimmery glue, shiny embellishments, alphabet beads, gloves, a craft stick, tweezers, a squeeze tip, and a ribbon. Before you start gluing, slip on your finger gloves and attach the plastic squeeze tip to your shimmery glue bottle. This gives you precise control so you can decorate like a pro. Use the craft stick to spread the glue exactly where you want it, and when it dries, it leaves a beautiful shine that makes your design pop. Now, for the fun part, decorating. Place gems, beads, and embellishments wherever you like. If the base layer dries before you're done, just add a bit more glue to keep attaching your gems and beads. Use the tweezers for precise placement. Spell your name with the alphabet beads, add stars, hearts, roses, or wings. The possibilities are endless, and there's no wrong way to bling. Thread the ribbon through the hole in the handle to create a hanging loop, tie a bow, or wrap it around the handle for extra flair. When you're done decorating, let your mirror dry completely. Then, remove the protective film from the mirror. That's it! You've created a one-of-a-kind mirror that sparkles just like you. Have fun showing off your bling!